Look at those beautiful waves, Russ.
It is 5:03 p.m. Sunday, February 5th, 2023. We're in the Superliner dining car of Amtrak number 11. The Coast Starlight headed from King Street Station, Seattle, Washington to Los Angeles Union Passenger Terminal south of Guadalupe, north of Santa Barbara, California, starting to go right along the Pacific Ocean on Union Pacific Railroad's Coast Subdivision, originally Southern Pacific lines.
Oh no, it's gone. Oh no. Oh no.
We departed San Luis Obispo on time at 3:37 p.m. Hey, we might be coming to Honda Point Bridge. We're going slow.
That's what I told you. Look at the track.
My buddy says we're still going through Vanden